Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I'm Sharlrita Deloatch, your Soft Life CEO, where I'm helping the women that are 40 plus build peaceful, profitable digital businesses without the hustle. And today we are talking about the secret sauce behind how I sell digital products without starting from scratch. PLR. Now, that stands for private label rights, and it's how you can sell ebooks, templates, journals, courses, and more in days and not months. Before we dive into my favorite sites, I need you to hear this. You don't need to have or don't need to have the need to create everything yourself to be credible. Okay. You can use what already exists and make it your own. The reason why I really love PLR content is because most of the sites that I buy PLR content from are from either other women or creators that I know. All I'm doing is I'm supporting their business by swiping my card, buying the content. That gives me more time back in my day. I don't have to create, and I am supporting them, which their content is supporting me in the long run. PLR is not cheating, okay? It's choosing ease, and I'm going to choose ease every day, all day. It's saying yes to stewardship and no to burn out. Okay. So it's also stepping into the grace that God gave you for this season to build without breaking down, girl, because we like things easy. I know I do. Okay. So I'm going to gravitate to what's easy. So let's break down the sites I personally love and I recommend for fellow soft life CEOs. The first one on my list is PLR.me. Okay. If your brand leans more towards faith, like mental health or even self-care, PLR.me is where you need to be. They offer beautifully written content, articles, affirmations, journals, and guides. And this is perfect if you're building a coaching business or a wellness brand. You can use this content to create ebooks, workbooks, or even email series. Now, the second site is my favorite. Y'all know I talk about the secret weapon PLR. Those are my girls. Okay. Let me say this. This one is slept on. Now, their content is stylish, feminine, and actually useful. So I want you to think planners, journals, challenges, mini courses. I love this for building like your first bundle because they come with bundles, especially if you want something that's really, really cute and easy to brand. Now, the secret weapon PLR is not a place where you can just buy it offhand. It's actually a membership. So when you join the membership, which is only $27 a month, you get access to thousands of PLR content. All right. I have some videos that I'll link in the description where I talked about specifically secret weapon PLR because they are just amazing. Chef's kiss. Love Jessa and Evelyn. They do an amazing job with this site. Number three is PLRproducts.com. Now, this one has everything, and I do mean everything from business bundles to email templates. They cover a wide range of niches. So it's a great site to grab a lead magnet, digital product ideas really, really fast. So I like this one too. Very affordable. You can go in and grab some as low as I saw $1.99, a dollar. It's about $1.99, $2.99, $5.99. So you can really grab some things that are very, very affordable. Number four is PLR Beach. Okay. So girlfriend, this one is fun. Okay. They are offered more of a colorable, beachy, done for you planners, journals, and printables. I mean, pretty. Okay. It's perfect if you want to sell on Etsy. Okay. Create your own PLR bundles. They have a lot of varieties, very, very much known for their bundles. So very pretty, very chic. Go check out that site as well. Number five is another one of my favorites is Zane PLR. Okay. Now this creator is amazing because if you're ready to for like the master resale rights things. And if you want high converting digital offers, also pretty, Zane PLR is definitely gold. Now she got a full on product kits, sales pages, graphics, email sequences. She has a lot going on there as well. I bought some planners from there. It's just amazing. Go and check them out as well. I don't want to overwhelm you, but I got a bonus one for you. Now, my bonus is Content Sparks. Okay. Now, you're ready to create courses. I mean, if you're a coach, a course creator, an educator who wants high quality teaching materials, then you're getting full on workshops, slide decks, workbooks, and even sales copy. Okay. Content Sparks got you. This is perfect if you want to host mini trainings, sell evergreen courses, or even teach live sessions without starting from scratch. Okay. Yeah. Content Sparks, she got you covered. All different types of titles and subjects and niches. Yeah. I got every single last one of those links in my description for you. I want to give you this bonus tip. Okay. Mix and match. Okay. Grab a journal from one site, maybe pair it with a checklist from another, and make a whole bundle for your audience that they will love. Grabbing PLR content makes it easy, but you still have to think, strategize, okay? That's where you can see that it's not just about downloading content. It's about knowing how to turn it into transformation for your audience. Whether you're using Content Sparks to teach or PLR.me to inspire, it all becomes powerful when you put your story in it and when you strategize how to use it. Many people, you probably have a ton, probably a Google Drive full of PLR content that you may have purchased in the past. Because my audience, we know about PLR. We're not afraid of using PLR. Go look and see what you already have. Pair some things together, okay? Put some things together and make it valuable for your audience. Here's what I want you to do when you have PLR content, all right? So once you get it, I want you to add your story, your vibe, your beliefs. I want you to change titles, add your own branding, remix the format, okay? Sell it on your website, on PayHip, Etsy, okay? Don't be afraid to reuse it across different platforms. And please, don't just collect PLR content and let it sit. This is about using what you already have to move forward now. Remember, what you are purchasing are assets. Let me say that again. What you are purchasing are assets for your business. It makes you, when you have more assets, it makes it valuable. But what truly makes your business valuable is when you take use of that content. It's when you actually use it and flip it many times. This is what I told the women inside when they came to my info session. I was telling them, look, I can take a piece of PLR, I could take a PLR blog and I can flip it so many times and make it different every single time. That's something special that I know how to do and I love to do. And I would never, ever, ever run out of content. You should never, ever, ever run out of content. So when I teach here on my YouTube, people say, well, you give a lot away, because I have more than enough to give away. I don't lack content. I don't lack information. Okay. So you got to think of your PLR content when you purchase it. It's an asset. How many times can I take this planner and how many times can I flip it? Can I make it a physical planner? That's one way. I can make it a digital planner. That's another way. I could take that planner and make it a challenge. That's another way. I could take that planner and make it a maybe into a class. I could do that. I can teach other people how to take this planner and make it whatever is so many different ways. You've been saying, listen, Sharlrita, I love your content. I'm ready to start my own soft life business, but I don't want to do all the things. Then PLR is your next step. Okay. And if you want support figuring out how to use these tools, because that's exactly what it is, it's an asset, it's a tool. I definitely want to personally invite you to my next live info call. Now, my info calls I host every week is a peaceful, non-pressure space where I show you two paths and how I make money online through Digital Profits U. If you want to start selling digital products, like using PLR content and master resale rights content, also Profitable Publishers Collective. So if you have a story, your story is the want to be the product, you want to publish short books, that's the way to go. Either way, we'll find what's best for you and build a business that loves you back, and we do not start from scratch. Okay. We team AI over here with team PLR with team master resale rights, but we learn how to use these as tools and we flip them and we make them work for us. So of course, I have all of the links to the PLR sites as well as joining me on my next info call below. Okay. So let's step into Profit with Peace. I would love to be your guide. Come join me on the info call so we can meet, we can chat. You can come and ask questions as well. I don't want to just have a session where I'm just talking. I need you to talk back to me, ask questions, because my goal is for you to choose what's best for you. Okay. For you to make a grown woman decision to say, this is what I want, and I will be there to guide you. Okay. So listen, if you love my content, you love my vibe, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe. Also hit that notification bell. So when I upload a new video, you will be the first to know. I'll see you in an info call. Okay. Don't be scared. Come on over. See you then. Bye.